So you recently premiered your new movie titled How I Built My House at the Age of 22. How many instant ads did you do before you were able to afford buying cement?
But it's not a movie.
Wait, see, the last time you laugh, please, you're going to get out of here. Have a crash on me. But you can't afford me, so yeah, just move on to the next one. No, don't laugh.
It's actually funny because you'd probably be the cheapest thing I'd ever go after.
You call me cheap.
You are.
See, I'm a king in my village.
Because you're wearing borrowed clothes.
Word of vintage, please. Come and remove your mouth.
Talked it to you.
See, do you have a problem with me?
No, absolutely not.
Or you have a problem with the show?
It's probably the hair. It's turning me off. I'm sorry. I can't. A serious person would do that kind of hairstyle. Sorry.
Yeah. I have money. What's your price?
I mean, having money is relative. You might have money to somebody who's in JHS and she might think that, yeah, you got it. You're
Jesus.
not really.